Want healthier teeth and gums? Nature's Alina says that their gum product can help. But is it real or just another scam? Let's find out. We spent time searching naturesalina.com to see if it is a trustworthy site. We looked at their website. Naturesalina.com sells a product called Alina's Remineralizing Gum. They claim it helps make your teeth stronger and your gum healthier. The website looks clean and offers different ways to pay, like Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay. They also have page for shipping, return, and privacy policies. So these are the good things that they are offering. And here you can see on the website, these are the features of this gum. Oral hygiene, relieves stress, improves focus, kid-friendly, enhances digestion, freshens breath. So if you will eat Nature's Alina, you will get all of these benefits. And here they are claiming that eliminate harmful bacteria. If you will eat Nature's Alina gum, that it will eliminate harmful bacteria because it has xytophil fights plaque build up, reducing bad breath and promoting fresh breath. Rebuilds and strengthens enamels. Whiten teeth without sensitivity. Soothes and protects gum. Boost saliva production. So these are the claims that they are offering. If you will chew Nature's Alina, then it will give you all of these benefits. But is it true? If we just find out on Amazon what people are saying after buying this gum. So here are the reviews of people that this gum is so overpriced and the flavor legitimately goes away in 5 chews. Other gums without mastic gum are far more affordable, still have all the benefits and flavor that lasts. Here the customer experience is not good with this gum. Here you can see amazing customer service and amazing product. I chew this gum regularly and it's strengthening my jaw and my teeth are feeling clean after chewing this gum. I did have to reach out to customer service and they responded in a super timely and professional manner. Will definitely order again. So this is the happy customer that the gum is doing what they are offering. And other review is, I have never chewed gum like this before. The gum is very different from store-bought gum. I really like this gum. It is awesome. A person could chew one piece all day if you wanted to. It does not disintegrate. Highly recommend. So this is also a happy customer on Amazon. On Amazon we can see that people have mixed reviews on this gum. Here on Reddit we see that I have tried it and it's honestly great. I got an ad on TikTok and it was the first ad I have seen where I have purchased the product immediately after. I'm actually just leaving my dentist office now and had asked about the ingredients if they were actually good for your teeth, and they looked it up and said the ingredients are in fact known for remineralizing your enamel. The flavor doesn't last too long, but I think it is great, honest, and product. It's more expensive than standard chewing gum, but you are also paying for high quality ingredients and it is like. The customer is also happy for this, but the thing is that it is expensive, but giving all the benefits that they are offering. So, but what is the red flag here? The website doesn't say who owns the company or where it is based. There's no address or phone number listed. That's not a good sign. We also noticed that the product claims haven't been checked by the Food and Drug Administration. That means the product might not do what it says. Nature's Alina might not be safe to use. There are no company information and the product claim aren't verified. If you are looking for ways to improve your dental health, it's better to talk to dentist or use a product from well-known brands. Stay safe and always do your research before buying health products online. Hope you get this and like this video and subscribe this channel.